Now that we are approaching the end of the climate lectures, but one question remains. So what now? Truly a daunting question. Fortunately, Vyshnavi and I are here to offer some attempt at an answer.
As members of the Penn community, we must first look within. Penn prides itself on empowering marginalized communities in its admissions process. But by being apathetic or deliberately ignorant to the realities of the climate crisis, Penn itself is complicit in the destruction, not only of future generations, but of our own. Whether by lining the pockets of fossil fuel executives, not paying pilots, or hiring only one climate scientist, our school, like most wealthy institutions, for all of its educational value and prestige, has the blood of the millions who have already died of climate change on its hands, and by not doing anything about it, we do too.
As individuals, we must open our eyes to two inexorable facts. First, climate change is here to stay. The first step in comprehending a crisis we have been told will only worsen as time goes by is to accept its terms as immutable. Second, our luxurious habits have created a global emergency that is disproportionately affecting people who bear no responsibility for it. These are the prevailing truths of our age, and we have no chance at bettering our future if we fail to confront them.
Election season is almost here, and we must view every single issue through a climate lens first. As Jacob said, climate change is our reality. And if that doesn't frame every single vote we cast this coming fall when deciding who gets to make the big decisions, we don't even have a shot at fixing our situation.
So what now? Now it's time to stand up for your future. Join Fossil Free Penn in College Hall this Friday and every Friday from 1 to 4 p.m. We'll be handing out stuff. Where we will be sitting in to demand that the Penn administration publicly justify its multi-million-dollar investment in the fossil fuel industry.
Until we live in a truly fossil-free society, we will inherit an unworkable, unlivable future. We must demand aggressive action from Penn, from the city, but also from each other. By not being ambitious in what we demand, from the top and from one another, we create room for bare minimum Band-Aid solutions that don't actually solve the root of the most pressing issue of our time. It might sound hyperbolic, but this is our reality. We are in a battle of survival. Thank you.